We're going to be referring to the P2 button in this video. Check on your remote control where the P2 button is now. To set the limits on the Liberta battery motor, the first step is to take the cover off the back of the handset to expose the battery and 4 buttons. The button we use when setting the limit is a button labelled P2 and it's to the upper left of the battery. To put the blind into limit setting mode, we need to press P2, then up, and P2. So that's the P2 button on the back of the handset, the up button on the front of the handset, and the P2 button again. So we just do that, we press P2, then up, then P2 again. The blind is then stepped and beeped several times to confirm we're now in limit setting mode. So we now take the blind to the upper limit, and when we're almost there, we press the P2 button while the blind is moving. The blind will start stepping, which will mean we can set the limits more accurately. So we press up, then P2. See, the blind has now started stepping, which means it's moving slower. So we press stop. To set the upper limit, you need to press the stop button 4 or 5 times until the blind steps. So we press stop button. So the blind has now stepped to confirm that it's set to the upper limit. We now press down. And likewise, when we're nearly at the lower limit, you can press the P2 button to slow it down again. So we just set the lower limit there. So you press the stop button until the blind steps again. So stop, 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 stop. Blind has now stepped to confirm that the bottom limit is set, then it automatically exits the limit setting mode. The next step is to test the limits to make sure they've been set in the right place. You can do that simply by taking the blind up a few inches, stopping it, and sending it back down to check that it stops in the correct place, which it has done. So to recap, to set the limits, first of all you must put the blind in limit setting mode. You do that by pressing P2, up, P2, taking the blind up to the upper limit. When you're almost there, you press the P2 button to slow the blind down. When you've reached the correct position for the upper limit, you press the stop button, and then press the stop button again 4 times until the blind steps. You take the blind down to the bottom limit, and when you're almost there, you press the P2 button, the blind will start stepping. Once you've got to the correct position, you stop the blind and then press the stop button 4 times again until the blind steps.